What's up, guys? Here are some new gadgets. BleuAir, portable all-in-one air compressor.
This is the all-in-one portable air compressor for home and outdoors. This efficient compressor quickly produces maximum pressures of 4,500 psi or 30 MPa.
Smart portable projector.
Alexa, more ambience.
Just don't bring me down. Are you gonna see?
Saltstone.
This is Saltstone, an at-home dry salt therapy device for everyday respiratory health. Dry salt therapy is a soothing, natural, and breathable way to relieve allergy symptoms, expel respiratory irritants, improve breathing, clear airways, feel energized, and sleep better. It's widely recommended by doctors, wellness practitioners, and athletes. It's easy, mess-free, drug-free, all-natural, and has been a trusted respiratory care therapy for hundreds of years. We created Saltstone because we couldn't find an at-home dry salt therapy device that was affordable and effective, or designed beautifully enough to keep on a table or counter as a great reminder to use it every day. Our innovative personal halo generator is proprietary and patented. Saltstone turns medical-grade salt into a trusted respiratory cleanse at the push of a button. In as little as 5 minutes a day, Saltstone can help you clear congested airways, support immunity, increase blood oxygen for more stamina and better athletic performance, and boost the body's natural detox abilities. Today, hundreds of millions of people have breathing issues and try all sorts of ways to get relief. We believe Saltstone is a better solution. It can help everyone breathe easier and live healthier. Thank you for backing this campaign.
Hit the subscribe and get your next video.